Bonjour, Kinamagi and Ireland Adishnikas, and welcome to this math review lesson. Today's lesson, writing numerical expressions. Let's start with our whiteboard here. And a lot of what we're going to do today is text. And we're used to knowing that if I had add 2 plus 2, I would end up going 2 plus 2. Pretty simple. But there are a lot of others. Find the sum of 2 and 2. And what operation involves a sum? Well, we know that sums are for addition. So the sum of 2 and 2 is 2 plus 2. We can get some that could be division. Find 1/2 of the product of 3 and 2. That's a long one. How would I write that in words? So we're gonna have a long one. 3 times 2 is the product part. So I have this part right here done. And I need to go times 1/2. And I'm going to put it in parentheses. There's two ways to do it. I could multiply times 1/2, or I could make it divided by 2. As you recall, multiplying by 1/2 is the same as dividing by 2. In which case I'd probably put it over here. 1/2 of 6 is 3. And this one, 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. What you're going to do today is take the numbers and the words and end up leaving these expressions. If you have words like difference, that's subtraction. Sum is addition. Product, multiplication. Quotient is division. So if I ask you to find the difference of 5 and 4, I would write 5 minus 4. If I need the quotient of 9 and 3, I would put 9 divided by 3. Depends on the order there. So let's show you what the assignment's going to look like. Find the sum of 6 and 4 and then take away 2. This one's so I'm going to put 6 plus 4 and then minus 2. So here's the 6 and 4, and here's the takeaway, which is the difference or subtraction. Because these are adding and subtracting, I don't have to put the parentheses. If I was doing something with multiplication and then adding and subtracting, it might. 5, and let's do another one. Find half of 5 less than 10. So that's going to be 10 minus 5. And half of it, I can either multiply by 1/2 or divide by 2. So there's some variety. And so that would give me half of 5 less than 10, which is 2.5. But you're not going to need to find the answer. You only need to do this part. So don't worry about solving, just answer. If you're in person, you're going to fill out the remainder of this. Let's see if there's any words here. If you get stuck on a word, you could ask an operation of a friend, but they can't help you with the words or the writing it out. But they can tell you if it's what operation, I suppose. But if you're in person, fill the rest of this out and then turn it in. If you're at home, you could fill it out, put your name on it, and then scan or take a picture of it and send it to me via text or email. Or you can fill out the Google form of this post. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at mireland@sagchipschool.net. Have a minute, Gijigat, Minwa, Bama P.